Most AI apps are single shot, one prompt, one reply. But what if we could do more? What if AI agents work together like a team? Like a real planner, a decorator, and even a voiceover artist. Let me show you how I built a fully AI-powered event planner using Google ADK. Let's get started. Now let's take a look at how it all fits together. This is a full-stack technology powering the AI event planner. Google ADK orchestrates multiple agents. Gemini Vision helps generate Decor visuals. OpenAI generates invitation content. ElevenLabs give it a voice. And Streamlit bring it all together in a clean UI. The AI event planner generates personalized plans. Venues, food, decor, even a downloadable PDF, using agents that talk to each other, delegate, and collaborate. Google's Agent Development Kit gives us a blueprint for orchestrating multiple agents using real workflows. ADK introduces core orchestration primitive like a sequential agent, parallel agent, and loop agent, so that each agent can execute tasks in a defined flow or conditions. It supports shared session memory so that agents can exchange data between each other intelligently and integrate seamlessly with Gemini models so that it allows natural language processing planning. This setup allows us to build a real AI pipeline, not just LLM chatbot, where each agent has a specific role in a broader AI event planner workflow. This isn't prompt training. It's modular, reusable, and stateful. Every agent has a clear role with a defined responsibility. Using Google ADK's orchestration primitives, we can sequence or parallelize agents, pass memory between them, and delegate subtasks based on the planner's current state. This enables fluid, cooperative execution that mimics how teams function in the real world. Each specialist contributes their piece toward a unified, goal-driven output. Let me walk you through how we orchestrated this real agent logic. Inside host agent, we defined a top-level planner agent that calls sub-agent dynamically depending on the user's input. This planner agent does not handle logic directly. Instead, it delegates tasks like finding venues or generating invites to dedicated agents. First, in Venue Finder agent, we define a Find Venues tool. It takes in the event type, location, guest count, and budget, and returns a filtered list of venues. That tool gets attached to the agent using the ADK tools interface. That's what makes this modular. You can swap the logic underneath without changing the planner. Next, Schedule Agent defines a simple rule-based system that adjusts timelines depending on whether the event is a wedding, corporate event, or birthday. You will see how we can structure dictionaries here so that the AI can reason about time slots and outputs a sequence like guest arrival, ceremony, dinner, dance. Then inside host agent, we tie it all together. This is where the orchestration kicks in. The planner agent takes your full event from data and coordinates between agents to produce a single coherent plan. Think of it like a smart dispatcher. It knows what tools are available and what order to invoke them. This architecture is what makes the AI event planner truly scalable. You can add more agents like a music agent or a photography agent, and the planner will just incorporate them. So here's the question. If you were adding one more agent to this system, what would it be? Let me know in the comments. I might build it next. One of my favorite things of this build is what happened after the planning logic. The AI started to speak and show. From generating the ambience to narrating the invite, this is where it feels truly personal. Visuals come from a scene prompt passed into Gemini Vision or DALL-E, which then returns a high-resolution interior decor concept based on the chosen event scene, whether it's boho chic, minimalist, or something else entirely. It's like asking an AI interior design to sketch out the vibe before you hire the real thing. On the voice side, we pass the finalized invitation text to ElevenLabs, which return a studio-quality audio narration in a natural human voice. This makes the experience feel personal, polished, and production-ready, as if the planner actually had a voice of its own. Now we can expose the entire plan, not just the schedule and location, but also a full-style decor image, a personalized invitation card, a voice-narrated message, all bundled into one professional-looking PDF. This brings the experience into full circle, from an AI submission form to a tangible, shareable output you can present to a client or print to your team. That's how I built an AI event planner, not just with one prompt, but with a team of agents. If you want the source code, the GitHub link is below. And if you're interested in learning more about AI tools, multi-agent system, or AI project like this one, I have already created a full playlist on my channel. And there's more coming. Subscribe so that you don't miss the next drop. Finally, thanks for watching. Now go orchestrate something.